Vladimir Putin, president of Russia, superpower leader, and now a wanted man.
For the alleged war crimes of deportation of children from Ukrainian occupied territories into the Russian Federation.
The president of the International Criminal Court announcing that arrest warrants have been issued for 2 Russian officials, one of them Mr. Putin. Human rights activists were quick to welcome the news.
This is an amazing day for the many victims of Russia's war crimes against Ukrainians since 2014, because this war has been going on since then, almost a decade. Vladimir Putin is now officially a wanted man.
But at the same time, the arrest warrant for President Putin almost certainly complicates the possibility of any diplomacy to end the war. The UN in particular is in a difficult position.
Will the Secretary-General still talk or meet with President Putin?
I don't want to answer hypothetical questions because, as you know, issues of travel involve others. We will continue, as a general rule, the Secretary-General will speak to whomever he needs to speak in order to deal with the issues in front of him.
In the Security Council, the Russian ambassador made a blistering attack on the court.
The ICC is a puppet in the hands of the collective West, which is always willing to carry out pseudo-jurisdiction based on their orders.
123 countries are signatories to the Rome Statute that governs the ICC. They're now obliged to arrest the Russian leader and send him to The Hague. It's likely President Putin's travel will now be seriously curtailed. Of course, an arrest or a trial isn't going to happen anytime soon, but it's clear the International Criminal Court is sending a message not just to President Putin, but to the officials and military officers who work for him, that one day they could face consequences for their actions. James Bays, Al Jazeera, at the United Nations.